Hello children, in this video we will study Java program based on classes and object. Let's start programming question. Question number 1. Write a class program to accept two number or instance variable and use the following function for the given purpose. Your class name will be calculate, void input data to input both the values, void calculate to find sum and difference, and void output data. What was that? You have to print sum and difference of both the numbers. And after that you have to use a main method to call the function. Now let's see the program. So your class name, what was that? Calculate. Here we have used two data member, and that means two instant variable. What was that? Int a and int b, using the private access specifier. And after that you have to use the int sum and int difference. In void input data, in accept method, that means for input method, we are taking which method for inputting? Scanner class, and that method you have to use for inputting method. That scanner class, then here next scanner class you have to use. Then after that you have to calculate. Calculate will be sum equal to a plus b, difference is equal to a minus b. Then after that you have to print method you have to use for printing the sum and difference. And after that void main method for creating the object of class, and you have to call the method, calling the method. And after that you have to compile it. After compiling, your class name will become, what was that? Calculate. And now we have to, when you click on calculate, a new calculate and void main string, that the dialog box will come, and you have to click on new calculate. When you click on new calculate, BlueJ create object will come that has a calculate name of instance, that is calculate 1. Then you have to click on OK. When you click on OK, that is left bottom side, one dialog box will be there. You can see that void calculate is there, void input data is there, and void output data. So you have to click on void input data. So when you click on void input data, a BlueJ terminal box will come. Enter the first number, that is 45. Enter the second number is 67. After that press the enter key and click on close button. So when you click on close button, when again you have to come in the left hand side bottom part, there again that same box will become here, void input and void calculate, void input data, and void output data. So first you have to click on void calculate. Then after that you have to click on void output data. When you click on void output data, so your BlueJ terminal will come. All the calculation will be over there. So you have get the output. What will be there? Sum is equal to 101 and difference is equal to minus 11. So in this way you can compile the program if you have a software at home. Like that function we are doing, the same way how to do this also, classes and object. So hope you have understood this program of classes and object. Thank you my dear children.